Hello, I'm James Preston and welcome to the Morning Outlook exclusive to Kalkine TV, where we provide you with all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. Australian shares are set to open lower on Wednesday, following a dismal overnight session of trade on Wall Street. Additionally, a fall in June consumer confidence in the US reignited concerns around aggressive interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserve. On the other hand, strong prices of commodities are set to keep boosting shares of energy and mining companies. The benchmark ASX 200 index is likely to open 80 points or 1.2% lower as per the latest ASX futures. On Tuesday, the ASX 200 surged by 0.85% to 6,763.6 points. The share price of carsales.com is set to be in focus today as the stock returns from its trading halt. On Wall Street, the Dow Jones fell by 1.55%, the S&P 500 dipped by 2%, and the NASDAQ ended 3% lower. In Europe, the Stoxx 50 rose by 0.3%, London's FTSE gained 0.9%, the German DAX surged by 0.3%, and the French CAC ended 0.6% higher. On the other hand, MSCI's gauge of stocks across the globe fell by 0.44%. As for Asian markets, China saw its stocks rise as COVID-19 related restrictions were eased across the country. The Shanghai Composite, as a result, rose by 0.89%. Japan's Nikkei also saw a gain of 0.66%, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng saw an increase of 0.85%. All right, time now for a quick break here on the Morning Outlook before we take a look at the Aussie Dollar, oil, gold, and the world of crypto. Hi there, James Preston for Kalkine TV. Are you into gaming and virtual reality? Does AI and the endless possibilities it entails capture your interest? Or are you constantly trawling through the web to try and discover the latest updates and innovations in the tech space? Well, let us do the work for you. From the latest product launches to shocking affairs on the World Wide Web, exclusive interviews and information about the top companies like Apple and Google to brand new tech startups vying for your attention. Kalkine's Tech Beat has the latest in what matters in the world of technology. Join me every single Thursday on the Tech Beat, exclusive to Kalkine TV. Welcome back to the Morning Outlook on Kalkine TV, where we give you all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. The Aussie dollar is trading just above 69 US cents at present and has been largely stable over the past 5 days. Over the past 24 hours, it's seen a marginal increase of 0.03%. Moving on, and US Treasury yields were mostly flat on Tuesday after a report showed consumer confidence slumped in June on concerns that high inflation will likely weaken economic growth later this year. The yield on 10-year Treasury notes fell by 0.2 basis points to 3.2%, and it was a similar scenario for both 5- and 2-year yields. Also, oil prices ended on a strong note for the third day on Tuesday. It happened as the UAE and Saudi Arabia struggled to increase production significantly, whilst the West planned ways to cap the Russian oil price. Brent crude futures rose by 2.5% to end at $117.58 a barrel by 12:33 p.m. EDT. WTI crude closed 2% higher at $111.76 a barrel. Conversely, gold prices inched lower. Gold prices fell on challenges posed by the likelihood of higher interest rates. However, the concerns around recession also provided somewhat of a boost. US gold futures closed 0.2% lower at $1,821.20. And lastly, the crypto market has slumped once more. In the past 24 hours, the global crypto market cap has decreased by 3.1% to be valued at approximately $910 billion, down from Tuesday morning's market cap of $938 billion. Flagship cryptocurrency Bitcoin has fallen by 2.64% in the past 24 hours, indicating a decrease of 1.74% over the past week. It currently sits just above the crucial 20k floor. Well, that's all for this edition of the Morning Outlook. Have a great day trading and make sure to keep it locked here on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm James Preston, signing off for now.